first steps are to get a trench in the ground because we need to get the air from the windmill down to the pond, so that then we can put weighted tubing to a diffuser, set it on. Mariah and Matt were initially getting the hinged side of the windmill set up. The other side will not be hinged, but the initial side is hinged, so that the windmill can be set up and taken down very easily. So they drove the stakes for that, got the hinges set up, and now the next step is to get the head assembled on the windmill, so that that's ready to go. And then once the head's on the windmill, then it'll be a matter of tipping it up, staking it down the rest of the way, and then once that's done, getting the tubing in the trench and getting the tubing into the pond to the diffuser. So that's kind of the process. It's a very simple device. So you have a shaft that has an eccentric point on it. So as it spins, it's pushing the rod up and down. There's 3 bearings, and it's exposed on the front. There's 2 on the inside. Yep. One at the back, 1 in the middle, plus this attached to bullish rods.
General procedure would be to attach the diffuser to the air line. So they'll run the poly air line from the windmill down edge. They'll attach the weighted tubing to that, and then roll it out and drop it in puddles. Diffusers have a steel base, right? Obviously is heavy, so that base then has enough weight to stake it on the tenure to the bottom. You don't want the diffuser sitting there constantly stirring up clay or the sediment on the bottom either. So it is going to hold it up off the bottom a little and allow it to bubbles without stirring things up.